Welcome DP Sogong aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Ever feel like you're drowning in medical data, yet somehow still lost at sea? That's the puzzle we're tackling today. We're not just talking about shiny new AI tools, we're diving into the real challenge, transforming our entire workforce mindset for proactive medicine. So what exactly is this ActiveMed Workforce OS? Think of it as a super smart, offline-ready toolkit specifically designed for this tricky transition. It's not just another app, it's a framework built on the DIKWP principle: data, information, knowledge, wisdom, intent. Imagine taking all those scattered documents, AI suggestions, personal goals, and review notes, and weaving them into one coherent, traceable tapestry. This platform doesn't try to replace doctors or nurses making tough calls. Instead, its genius lies in making everything crystal clear. Where did the evidence come from? What assumptions were made? Why was a plan tweaked? It's about bringing transparency and accountability into the heart of proactive care training and governance. It's like having a GPS for navigating complex healthcare transitions, ensuring every step is understood and defensible. Now, let's talk about its superpowers. First, it creates an evidence mesh. No more digging through endless folders. It connects everything: documents, metrics, AI outputs, user goals, so reviewers can instantly see the full picture. What's recorded, what's inferred, what's uncertain, and crucially, what intent drives the next action. Second, it makes AI work auditable. Those helpful AI prompts, they're saved as assistive traces, not secret black box decisions. You can compare versions, tweak suggestions, and importantly, document why you accepted or rejected an AI idea. Transparency is key. Third, it fosters true cross-role collaboration. Doctors, managers, trainers, and quality reviewers aren't just emailing back and forth. They work around the same living evidence base, adding comments, assigning tasks, and linking later reviews directly to earlier materials. It turns a one-off project into a reusable, evolving workspace for learning and governance. These three powers make it indispensable for managing this complex shift. Okay, how does this magic actually happen? It follows a pretty logical flow. Step 1. Gather all the essential bits: source documents, user goals, scenario constraints, task records, and what needs reviewing. Think of it as collecting your ingredients. Step 2. The system weaves these into that DIKWP mesh, organizing raw data into information, then knowledge, wisdom, and finally clear intent. This generates an initial evidence file and some critical questions for human review. Step 3. People start working with it, generating plans, discussion drafts, maybe comparing different approaches based on the scenario. Then, the reviewers come in, examine the evidence, add their insights, correct any shaky assumptions, and most importantly, record the reasoning behind every decision or revision. And here's the kicker. In continuous use, every single input, update, feedback item, and review result gets added to an expandable record. It's constantly growing smarter and more comprehensive, providing a practical way to make this whole transition process more traceable, discussable, and ultimately easier to improve over time. So why should you care? For healthcare workers, it means clearer, more structured pathways to embrace proactive care. For hospital managers and training departments, it offers governance-ready training that's flexible and adapts as things change. In this AI era, it's crucial for bridging the gap between human expertise and machine assistance, ensuring accountability. Ultimately, DIKWP ActiveMed Workforce OS isn't just a static tool. It's a dynamic, living workspace designed to make proactive medicine more transparent, collaborative, and effective. It empowers us to navigate complexity with clarity,